This is Hypericum perforatum, commonly known as St. John's wort. St. John's wort is native to Europe and central China, but it now also lives in western and mid-eastern United States and Canada. It was introduced to North America in the 1700s for medicinal purposes, treating some symptoms of depression, menopause, and somatic symptom disorder. Though, be careful. Some consequences of St. John's wort can include anxiety, dizziness, dry mouth, tiredness, headaches, or photosensitivity. St. John's wort has been found to displace native species of plants around the area it grows, causing a lack of native plant diversity and giving the animals who eat the native plants nothing to eat. It also poisons livestock when eaten, making the livestock photosensitive. St. John's wort is a producer, a part of the first trophic level. The reason St. John's wort is so successful is because it uses three different methods of reproduction: rhizomes, seeds carried in the wind, and above ground stems. The fact that everything that eats St. John's wort also gets toxified is a key reason why it's so successful. There are attempts to control the spread and growth of St. John's wort using herbicide mixtures, selective grazing strategies, and Chrysolina, hyperici, and Chrysolina quadrigemina beetles as biological control agents. While all are effective at their job, using biological control agents might cause temporary fixes in some areas instead of permanent. Using selective grazing strategies could harm your livestock if not done correctly, and using herbicides could easily harm other organisms. It may take longer than others, but using biological control agents like the Chrysolina to remove St. John's wort is the best option of control. Using these beetles is a low-cost way to remove St. John's wort across North America, since they can sustain themselves so we don't have to intervene constantly. Even if it takes longer to go into effect, using these biological methods are also a lot safer to use than grazing or herbicides. If we set up a program to release a massive Chrysolina beetles, along with other beetles that eat St. John's wort into North America, it wouldn't only be the most cost-effective option, it would help get rid of St. John's wort here in North America after all. After some time, that is.